nananawagan sana ako sa kasalukuyang pamahalaan. Pauwiin nyo naman ako sa Pilipinas. Miss ko na mga Pilipino. Please look into the cases that were filed against me by the Iglesia ni Manalo. Alam naman ang gobyerno nating nakaraan na yan haka-haka lang at mga invento lang ng mga ministro para pasamain si Brother Soriano. Hindi kasi nila kayang lumaban ng diskusyon kahit yung kanilang mga pinuno para patunayang totoo ang kanilang iglesia. At because they cannot destroy me by using the Bible, they are destroying me by using the government and the authorities that are in connivance with them para ako'y pasamain. Yung rape case, that is a blatant lie. Ba't naman ako manre-rape ng mabaho ang hininga na bading? Yun ang sinasabi ko, mga kababayan. Sana the present government may look into this. Matanda na po ako. I want to die in my native land. I have started the work here abroad and have planted and sown the seed of the true faith. If I will rest, I want to rest in my native land. I'm appealing to the President of the Philippines now. Kindly consider my appeal. Please look into the cases that were filed against me by the Iglesia ni Manalo. These are blatant lies. These are pure...
Grabe na! Napawisan ka ba, Brother Joseph? Grabe na!
Hindi makayanan ng lola.
Hindi ko matek.